Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen. If you are new, welcome. My Walmart beauty box for fall came, and then I got a Pinchme box, so I thought I'd film a little unboxing of both of these. So if you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. We'll start off with Pinchme because I don't know what's inside and it feels like there's like one thing. But if you don't know what Pinchme is, it is a website where you sign up every month, one Tuesday every month. They do a thing called Sample Tuesday, and you can pick out a bunch of samples that relate to your profile. But sometimes I forget, and I only get stuck with one, which kind of stinks. So, ooh, first we have this Moroccan oil body lotion sample. That's cool. This is what it looks like. And then a heartburn medicine. This is 20 tablets, so this might be like a full size. This is a sample. It's pretty cool. My Walmart beauty box. Super cute headband from Heritage. So excited for this. It's perfect for fall. Milani anti-gravity mascara sample. I've gotten another sample from Milani and I really like their mascara. A liquid IV in Yuzu Pineapple. Look at this butter gloss. A NYX butter gloss sample in Cinnamon Roll. This is going to be a pretty fall shade. Suave Up the Volume shampoo and conditioner sample. And then this is interesting. It's a Thayer's sample, but it's a pad. There's one toner pad in here. That's kind of cool. So that's everything for my Pinchme box and my Walmart beauty box. I like this month, or this season's Walmart beauty box. It's pretty good. I really like the headband, so I'm excited for that. It's gonna look really cute with all my outfits because there's black in it and I have to wear black every day, so it's gonna look super duper cute. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on Instagram. I upload on there more, especially like product reviews and stuff. And yeah, that's all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!